It's another 3 a.m. morning, but you just get super jazzed every time you get to go see something that you've put so much effort into. So I meet up with John Borden and our industrial engineer, David. It's never a quick or easy trip to Kentucky. A few miles in, a few miles left to go. We're getting there, slowly but surely. But every time you go, you just reflect the entire drive up. You think about the things you want to get accomplished, the things you want to see, the progress you've made. This particular instance, we want to install a new plug-and-play system for our Infusion technology that we use. We want to make minor upgrades to some conveyors. So when you get there, you have to be prepared for facing multiple different things. For instance, here we have a motor where the fan melted on the inside when it overheated. But a quick trip to probably our favorite place around there, Owensboro Electric, to get us squared away. And I have to say, these guys really, really take care of us. I'm not an electrician. I don't know what I'm doing a whole lot when I'm in these types of situations, but every time they just take care of us. So even someone like me can get a new motor put on. And trust me, it is a giant breath of fresh air when you turn on that PLC and you hit the button and everything powers up. And then sometimes you run into issues with your specialty equipment and you make a giant mess. You can't be scared of a mess. And of course, you're trying to find some time to smile. But in the midst of the thunderstorms, in the midst of breaking things and having to fix them, you know, you have these moments. And that's what it's all about. It's finding these moments of clarity and positive reinforcement about what it is you're doing. So we got what we needed to installed. And you take a look at your inventory, which isn't much, because all of this is already out the door. But it's 9:13. It's time to go home. And on the ride home, you reflect again. You think about what you got accomplished. You know, you're excited to see your family. But one thing you can never forget is that through this whole process, it's always about the people. It's about the guys that are at this plant day in and day out, getting it done. And that is what makes Carbon Earth, Carbon Earth. So remember, time's just a number. It's all about that one dream.